Alright, Half Windsor necktie knot here on the mannequin. Pull that tail out, and with my slight modification, it's become a self-releasing knot. So, let's see what it looks like. We reverse it. So, once again, standard length necktie. We use the buttons on the shirt as our starting point. Third button down, cross over at the second. We start with a low spiral. Wrap once around the neck piece here. And then we'll wrap the face, leaving a little gap there. As we go up the neck, going to come down that loop we've just created. Pull that tight, cinch it up into place. There we have it. Half Windsor necktie knot reversed.